how do you clean Invisalign trays? Well, just to let you know, it's really easy. First of all, in the morning when you get up, you take it out of your mouth and you can just take some toothpaste and a toothbrush and scrub them. And that works pretty well. Some people, on the other hand, maybe didn't brush their teeth last night or floss when they put their tray in. Oh my gosh, how can that be? And the tray starts turning green or mossy or whatever. So there are cleaners that you can buy at the drugstore. Kids use them to clean their retainers. People use them to clean their dentures with. But it's a little tablet, kind of like Alka-Seltzer. So in the morning when you get up, you take a glass of water, you put your little Invisalign tray in the glass of water, you drop in one of these tablets and it bubbles and foams kind of like an Alka-Seltzer does, and it'll make your trays pristine clean and it kills all the germs. Do not put them in the dishwasher or the microwave because they will melt. Otherwise, toothbrush, toothpaste, put them in the bottle or the glass of water with a tablet, you're good to go.